All right, guys, gals, and marines, check them out. Nobody got some grills on it. Got to get one more put on this other side, and I got to replace the what you call it. Got to change that Neo out to a ferrite. So who's that? That's Dakota right there. Okay, cool. He said he just found another piece to make one more. Awesome. Hell yeah. He replied back. So I'll probably go ahead and wait to swap this one out to a ferrite motor, the one in the middle. But it sounds good. There is no bass playing other than the little PP subs behind the seat. The bass is not on. Just the PP mids. It sounds killer, man. See what y'all think. It didn't hurt the sound any of this grillz. This is why we did it this way. Dakota was like, do you want them to, this is the best way to do it and not block any sound. And man, they are like snug, but they're not hitting anywhere in there. It's perfect. I could put shims if I needed to, but I don't need to. It's perfect. Duck's doors is still hanging in there, solid as a rock. Look at her, they don't budge. No. Let's play a little song. That's my phone.
This empty room, thinking about you, baby, thinking about all the changes we've been through. And I know it might sound crazy, but I'm still loving you, in spite of all the simple things we've been through. But I love what you do to me. You're driving me insane. See, I can't go no higher. On this love. Hey, never giving up. You're all I'm thinking of. You're always on my mind all the time.
Bass in there. Turn a little bit of bass on this time. See what it sounds like.
Sitting
Sounds terrifico. Hell yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. Dakota's gonna get me that one more grill made and this part's done. And then on to the next project with this doodad, which is gonna finish sanding these doors out. Getting it to the paint wizard. Hell yeah. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. You guys take care, have a good day. Oh, and man, we use stainless here. We don't use bullshit cheap stuff because you don't want rust running down in front of your speaker. No, and black will rust too, so we use all stainless on this car. Do it the right way the first time. It ain't but damn 50 cents. You guys have a good day. See you.